Hello, this is Dr. Rahman and we are going to learn join operator and MySQL. So join operator has two types, inner join, and which only the matching records from both the joining table are retrieved, and that has three types, equi, theta, and natural join. And outer join has the capability of retrieving the match plus unmatched record, and it has left outer, right outer, and full outer join. And now let's see how we could demonstrate them in MySQL. We already have detailed discussion on this in a theoretical lecture. You can understand from there and its implementation and MS Access as well. So let's see. I have this database join DB, and it has four tables: department 1, and student. And mainly I will be trying to demonstrate this with the help of this department, which has this data, and students, which has this data. I will be trying to demonstrate all these types of the join with the help of these two tables. So let's first start with the inner join. So inner join has three types, equi-join, and equi-join is working based on the retrieval of data from the two tables, department and student, based on their common attribute, primary key and foreign key. So let's select asterisk, mean all the records from table department, inner join student on which attribute? On the attribute which are department ID, which is the primary key of the department, and that is equal to the student dot department ID, which is foreign key in the student table. So when I will run this query, it takes the inner join between the department table and the student table, and based on the common attribute department ID in both the department and student table. Now when I will execute this one, it will there is some mistakes. Let's see that. So what I can see here is the spelling mistake, department spelling, DEPART MENT. This is the correct spelling, and the spelling mistake was there. Now let me execute it, and yes, it has retrieved me all those records which are matching, D1 with D1, D2 with D2. So an inner join, equi-join, works on the principle of using this equal operator. It retrieves data from both the table which are matching to each other. Now there is another type which is called theta join, and theta join retrieves data with the operator which is other than equal. For example, if I say where department ID is greater than student department ID. So now if I check this one, and execute it, or sorry, select, I have missed the spelling, select asterisk, mean select all the records from department and student table where the department ID is greater than student ID. So when we are using any other operator except the equal operator, then that is called the theta join, and here we can see D1 is greater than D2 greater. So all the department ID from the department, they are greater than in this one. We can apply any different operator which is not equal to or greater or equal to. So now this will retrieve the data. Select and execute it. Now we can see that this column and this column should not be equal, not equal to. So this is called theta join. And the next one is natural join. Natural join and equi-join having the same output. The output will be same, but the difference is that in this natural join automatically find out the matching attribute. We don't need to write it like this, where department.department ID is equal to student.student ID. It will be automatically identified by the DBMS using the natural join operator. So when I will run this, it will give me the same result as given by my equi-join, but the difference is that it has automatically identified the common attribute. And another difference between this equi-join and this natural join is that in equi-join the common attribute are taken twice. Department ID from the department and department ID from the student, they are both are retrieved, but in natural join only one will be retrieved. Let's see if you have not observed it. So let's run the equi-join again. Yes, so you can see department ID is here and repeated here. In natural join it will appear only once. So this is how natural inner join works. Now let's see how outer join works. So outer join retrieves data which are matched and unmatched. So one is left outer join. Now let's write down the script for the left outer join. So left outer join, I will be using here left join. The keyword left join mean retrieve all those records from the department, all the records from the department, but only those from the student which are matched, and for the rest they will be null value will be retrieved. So all from the left side and only match from the right side. When I will execute this, you can see all the records from the left sides has been retrieved, only match from the right side are retrieved, and which are not matched, for that the null value is retrieved. And if I repeat this for the right outer join, in the case of right outer join, all records from the right side will be retrieved. Right join from the all the record from the RIGHT right table will be retrieved, and only matching from the left will be retrieved. So all from the student will be retrieved and null will be on the department side. And now execute it, and now you can in this case there is no which are missing on the department side. There is no null, that's why it has retrieved me the same as of the natural join. And so now let's add a few records to the student table for which there will be no matching on the department side. Then we can see the difference between the left and right outer join here. So let me open my student table, and here add a few entries. For example, student number 5, and whose name is, for example, Khan, and he has not yet been assigned any department. And student number 6, and who is Akram, and he has not yet been assigned any department. So these let's save them. These record, they are asking for saving. Yes, I want to add them and finish. Now these records are added, and now I am going to run this query again, the right outer join query, to see. Now you can see that in the right outer join, all records from the right side but only matching from the left sides have been retrieved, and for those right side where left side is not available, null value is added. So this is the difference between the right outer join and left outer join. The last one is the full outer join. So full outer join cannot be implemented directly, but when we take union of the left outer join and right outer join, this will give us the full outer join. So let's copy the code of both the left and right outer join here and execute them with the union operator. So I am taking, this is my left outer join script, and then this is my union. So it will retrieve the left outer join value record and the right outer join value and will union them together. And now let's execute it. So you will see the null values on the left side as well as the right side. You can see for the left side these are missing on the right side, and for the right side these values are missing on the left side. This is full outer join. So this is how join operator work in MySQL, and we will be demonstrating some other aspects in subsequent tutorial. Thank you for listening and watching.